Okay, so for this next part, I wanted to go into overall the layout of Gemini, which is the name of my engine, and then do asset loading and time management. So Gemini inherits from engine. The Azul engine class, you have to overload all of the different functions required. And then I have all the different accessors that you need down here, and load resources, game initialize, game end. So load resources is down here in a separate file where the user loads everything they need, and then initialize and end are also separate files where you can do what you need to do. Then if I wanted to go back to Gemini and go into updates, so time is process every frame of the engine, and it goes completely through the time manager. So the time manager process time is called every single frame, and you use the freeze time module that we went over in class to account for the freeze frame if you do that. And everything that wants to access time needs to go through the time manager. So the main thing right now that we're using is the alarmable, so they go through the time manager to get the time. Everything goes through that. In terms of asset loading, start with the model manager. It's a singleton. All the resource managers are singletons. You have all the loads and the gets. You just have your map of keys to models. Same with the shader manager. You have your map of keys to shader objects, and then textures are keys to texture objects. Exact same thing with the sprite plot and images. So they all are pretty much carbon copies of each other. They have managers so that Gemini can access things in there, like delete, that the user should not be accessing. In terms of examples of these, here are all the loads for all the different things. And then, like the bullet, for instance, you can use the texture manager get, model manager get, and shader manager get. So, yeah, I think that's all I got for this video.